lots of variables to go with it too. My favorite, front loaded. Why would that be? Why do you guys think? Why would I want to front load with like a kettlebell or a dumbbell? Close to my body. As you do it, it requires, we know a lot of clients need core stabilization up front, requires a lot of core activation. That'll end up being a limiting factor. When someone gets really strong legs, you know that what's going to limit you with like a 100-pound kettlebell is going to be your core here too, right? So from there, boom, now I'll start going weights down. What's going to be my limiting factor there at some point? Probably my grip strength. From there, if my goal is strength hypertrophy, maybe I'm going to throw a bar on my back too, right? Because now I don't have to worry about my grip. I can keep it loaded over the top. You know, and again, just like the lunges, we can load up one side and make that like a ton of core on one side, having to keep ourselves up. You can do shoulder loaded, then we can do overhead loaded. You got a lot of variations there as well.